city of Townsville is under attack!
Well, that is a nasty rash.
Captain Great Guy, and he does hero stuff with his super fists.
Is your dog.
And his two new super awesome hero sidekicks, Amaza-Bird and Wonder!
Hey, wait a second. We've watched Captain Great Guy a million times, and I don't remember us being in it.
That's because I put us in it. With the power of crayons, glue, and a professional Hollywood great movie editing suite. And now we get to be heroes. Taste on this, you mean squid. Hey, Rocky, we're totally superpowered heroes now, fulfilling your lifelong dream you failed to mention until this point.
Rocky, do you have a lifelong dream you failed to mention until this point?
I'll answer that question over by the wistful window. Ever since I was a little squirrel, it's been my lifelong dream to be an awesome hero, like Captain Great Guy. But alas, this poorly edited fake adventure's the closest I'll ever get to living that dream. Hooray! Captain Great Guy and Amaza-Moose and Squirrel Wonder did it!
But Rock, you're totally super. You can fly, and in previous episodes you had eye lasers, mouth fire, and the ability to make everyone on the planet jump like a frog does.
Yeah, but in this episode, I'm just a plain old boring flying squirrel. Nothing super or hero about me.
Oh, there will be, 'cause I got 22 minutes to make your little squirrel dream come true. Now, don't move and cue our new show opening super song.
The power of two!
So, we return to our hero's house, where our heroes were looking for a way to become more heroic.
Now, as we all know, there are 3 ways to become a superpowered hero. 1, be a billionaire and buy high-tech powers. 2, be born on a buff alien planet and come to Earth to show off your buff powers like Captain Great Guy. Or 3, fall into radioactive goop and get radioactive powers.
Well, we're not from an alien planet, as far as I know, and we don't have any goop, so I guess we're going super billionaire hero. How much money do we got?
Well, after blowing our entire life savings on that sweet Hollywood editing system, $17.
That's not enough. Revolver Man!
No, 'cause we'll just use free stuff from around the house. Hello, Super Kate.
It's passable.
Quick, Squirrel Wonder, let's find other free and passable hero stuff.